Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life.
Hey beautiful creatives, today I'm walking you through how I crafted 3 tag-based journal elements from a 4x11 jumbo tag template. Each one flips, tucks, or locks in a way that's totally functional and beginner friendly. This is series 2 in the tag build lineup, and everything you see here came from my stash. Packaging scraps, acetate, quiet patina bits, plus stamps from Wings of Record and Nature Noted. Next, I took my paper trimmer and I cut out 3 to 4 tags that are 4x11 in size. Next, you're going to score your tag at a 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch, 4 1/2 inch. After you've done all your scoring, you want to then fold all those lines. And here I'm going to show you the envelope that I'm making in the front of the pocket. And you'll need your scoring tool to help you crease those lines. And later on, you'll see the really cool butterfly mechanism that I will show you I made. Next, these butterflies will be the mechanism that will hold the flap in place. And I'm showing you the few sprays that I used to kind of give them some pop, and then I'll cut them out, and later on we'll show you how this will work on the front flap of the tag mechanism. I will also, once everything is dried out, I will cut them out and then use my Versamark pad and clear embossing powder and heat set them. Next, I also used distress sprays on the actual tags themselves and heat set them. Here I'm taking packaging wrap and cutting a flap that I will use on one of the tags, which I will sew and make a pocket, which will hold some embellishments for series 3, the clusters that we're going to be making. Next, I took a whale tail tab and only applied glue on the bottom flaps, and I'm not completely sealing the tab because I'm going to use an eyelet on the top. Next, I took 2 pieces of acetate and trimmed, and I did round the corners. And here I'm showing you that I took cheesecloth and tied it around on the bottom, and then I took various pieces of washi tape and layered the first acetate page and the second acetate page. And here's the cool mechanism that I created. You're going to punch a hole in the center of the body of your butterfly, and then you want to make sure that your brads have, decent length in terms of those flaps and those metal flaps. And then you're going to slide them in between that envelope kind of pocket that we made earlier on all of our tags. And then you're going to slide it through kind of down, and I'll show you that quick and fun mechanism right there. And to make sure that you secure it in its place, use a flat tool to kind of press the back of the brad so that it won't shift on you. And tell me I'm not the only one. Raise your hands. Tell me in the comment section. I went to show you how I'm going to staple a little notebook, and there's no staple. Here I'm showing you the 3 junk journal flip tuck pockets and how they fit so nicely in your signature page or pages. Thanks for hanging out with me. If you love this project, you'll definitely want to catch series 3, where I will turn all these embellishments in these tuck pockets into layered clusters that will tuck so nicely in your journal. Speak pipes always open if you have questions or ideas. And as always, check the links below if you're curious about the stamps or Ko-Fi printables.